Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to learn how to fix this WordPress error which says no matching template found. I wouldn't claim that I know all the causes of this, but I'll show you in my case how I managed to fix that. Okay. A lot of people they suggest a lot of things. Some they say plugins, some they say the issue can be in the perm links settings and all that, you get me. And I really can say in my case it's the theme. The theme simply means, because it talks about the template, to me it sounds like a theme. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to a themes folder. I'm trying to organize myself to go there. This says your FTP, then you go to HTML, public HTML, or www directory. So whatever you want to have, go with this. Go to your WP content, then go to themes. Here you can see here. So if you know the theme, you can see all these themes are disabled, but anyway we have the default themes, which means this should work, because if all the themes are disabled, WordPress should kick into one of the default themes, the 2019, 2017, 2016, 2020, 2021. So I think I'm gonna try to use a different browser. I see if that is still the issue. Chrome. I've been using Firefox. Let me try Chrome before we fix. Okay. See, where can I go? Chrome, this guest mode, and then we're gonna say MNW, enter. You can see here we see a blank page. So on Firefox we see the message, right? Super easy. So I'm gonna rename this. You can see there's an underscore on each and every theme. After one theme, I'll refresh. Nothing. Simply means this uses the spacious theme. Something happened, they were all renamed. Maybe someone break into your FTP server and rename these themes, or deleted the theme. That could cause an issue because WordPress could not see the theme. So but all I know is that, let me go to Firefox. wow, even Firefox, after doing that, you can see that everything is fine. Well guys, that could be a solution, but depending on your issue. So now you know that it uses this theme, so I'm gonna just delete. I'm not saying delete other themes. I'm deleting. I want to delete this. If this didn't work for you, I'm sorry, you can try to also disable some plugins or rename them one by one, then you refresh, check. I think that maybe will work for you, but in my case this has worked for me, and you've seen. So I'm trying to clean up my folder so that I don't get into much stress. Okay, everything is clean now. I know I have defaults 1 2 3 4 5, then I have only this spacious theme. So that's the way I fixed that. But if you didn't make it, you go to plugins here, you start saying rename, then you can put maybe m underscore, then you save, then you go, you test, go to another one, you rename, you save, then you test. So by repeating the process, and don't forget to refresh your page every time you remain one by one, because if you do bulk, you wouldn't know which plugin is giving you a problem, in case it's the plugin issue. You get me? In our case, it was just the theme issue. In your case, I don't know, but if it's the same and it fixes your problems, please don't forget to subscribe and comment also that it worked for you. If you find a different solution, also comment, leave it there so that other people can benefit in this. Guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I hope to see you in the next video, and guys, we really beg you to subscribe, also share this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.